Alright, so there's no time to waste. Let's go in with our concealer and use it as a primer. Do the usual dab dab, swab swab. And then we're going to go in with this color right here. Don't know, but it looks like a sand, so we're going to call it sand. And then we're going to go in with our Hoola as our transition color because nothing works better but bronzer in the crease. And then we're going to go in this color right here. Let's call it dirt. No offense to any of these colors or the brand itself. I'm just coming up with whatever it looks like in my head. This part doesn't need any explanation, like, you guys know what I'm doing, right? So now going in with this color, we're just going to use it to define our outer crease. We're going to make like a V-shaped, so that way it's easier to do our wing eyeliner. Now I know NYC is not in stores anymore, but this is the only eyeliner that I had on deck in front of me, and I was not about to go get another one and waste time. So we're just gonna wing out our eyeliner and blah blah blah. Add on your wispies, and then I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with a Smashbox Photo Focus. Is it Photo Focus? Photo Finish. And then using this NARS foundation in Stromboli, I'm just gonna, do my thing. And then since the foundation is full coverage itself, I don't usually put my foundation all over my face, just on the outside perimeters. So now we're just gonna go and cover up this redness because, conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. And then going in with the Born This Way Ethereal setting powder. Ooh, she bougie. I'm just gonna go ahead and semi-bake. And by semi, I mean like not for like 10 minutes. Going in with my Ride or Die contour. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And it's amazing. Like, go to CVS, grab this. It's like $3. Trust me. Trust me. And going in with this bronzer, we're just gonna bronze the face because we want to be bronze goddesses. And then we're gonna take this ochre highlighter in Rodeo Drive, and we're just gonna beam, like hella beam. This is the Laura Geller Baked Blush in Tropic Hues, and we're just gonna lightly flush the skin, okay? Very, very lightly because this thing is pigmented. So once that's done, you want to get your setting spray, set your face, and then go in back into this dirt color to define the lower lash line and highlight the inner corners of the eye. Then we're going to go and take this combo right here. This is the Rimmel Lip Exaggerate lip liner in red, and then the Ruby Woo MAC lipstick. So this look is coming to an end, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoy this look, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!